um, so I'm not going to share something, but yeah, I'm going to show you something which I have done past. Okay, let me check the mic first and the bitrate if it is fine or not. Let me check it. Um, I think there is some bitrate issue. It's 15 Mbps. But yeah, it's working. I think there is some issue with the internet connection. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's working now. Yeah, so yeah, everything is working and I can stream now. So I would like to hear from you guys what you wanna um, learn or what you wanna see live. Obviously, I'm going to show you how we can contribute to open source and how we can work. So let me show you my GitHub profile. Yeah, so this is my GitHub profile and this is the contribution which I have done um, back in time. So yeah, I have contributed to definitely type. It's a Microsoft type definition which we mainly wrote for TypeSafe. It has been used in TypeScript, so each and every library has their own type definition. So I contributed for the same. Yeah, and there are also few private repository and public repository are there which I have done. Also, I have contributed to this Deno repository, but that was just for a simple pull request. So I can show you that pull request, but I have not signed in yet. So, and also this is actually shared application which I have developed using socket.io, and this is not much. This is simple a JavaScript code which send and receives email, sorry, message, and this is the simple HTML page. I can show you this website. I have deployed this in Heroku, but I'm not sure what is the URL of this chatting application. I need to search that, and also I have not logged in here so that I can check in my Heroku deployment slot. And yeah, so these are the few stuff which I have done. These are portfolios, and you can see there are 3 contributors. So this repository was having some issue or typo, so one of my friends, Pragyan, and another is a girl who is from college, has contributed to this repository. I'm very thankful for them that yeah, they guys are curious about this and also learning new stuff. And this is my portfolio which is using Gatsby. I hope if you don't know, then you can search on Google what is Gatsby. So this is how we learn Gatsby. So fast in every way that matters. You can develop a simple application and a complex application using this technology, and also you can develop a portfolio and resume kind of thing using Gatsby. So if you look into the package.json, then you're going to see Gatsby dependency. And yeah, so I have deployed this in GS pages, which is GitHub page, and I think it has some command to deploy a yeah. So I use this command to deploy my site. So you just need to create a branch called GH page, and you can use that npm module for deploying. You need to sign in GitHub from the command prompt, and you can able to do so. Yeah, so that's it. So this is my GitHub, and also you can check my LinkedIn profile. I have given the link in my GitHub profile. Yeah, so this is my LinkedIn. You can sign in to view my email. Yep. So these are the few projects, and also there are a lot of repository which has been forked from the other application, and also there are a few new stuff which I have tested. So yeah, also I started learning Go programming, but this is just for the beginning. I started, and there are a few things. Also experimented with the um, Node.js API and various stuff. You can scroll and you can see what other what else things have been done. Yeah, so there is nothing to show you more in my GitHub profile because I have not contributed much to a major repository like React, but I'm looking forward to do so and show you guys. So in simple, you can search React. So let me show you. Yeah, so this is the React repository. Yep. So you can go to the issues, you can pick any of the issues and you can start solving. Let's go to this. So this bug is not confirmed yet. The programmatically changing input value does not fire on change event. Yeah, okay. Steps reproduce. Go to link. So you can read this article or read this ticket. This is actually a ticket, and this follows a very interesting methods called agile, and most of the people work under some of the methods like waterfall, agile, or there are various um, development methods are there. Okay, so this is actually a functional component which uses side effect, has set time and set interval, return, and this component is being rendered over here, and this component using this custom input, and this passing original value as a props, and it's receiving as a props and assigning to a state, and then again it's change fired, but it's not being fired. There is some issue, yeah, but this is not confirmed yet. You can debug and you can explore more, and you can just, so I have not signed in yet, so you can, once you sign in, you will be able to comment and um, create a pull request for the same if you fix it. Yeah, so that's it. So the other tab is pull request. Various people have contributed to this repository. So these are the pull requests which is in open state. So you can see what code changes they have been doing. So these are the commits. You can go to file changes. You can see what are the files and what are the code has been changed yet, and the commits are here. So you can see the commits, and this is actually action. So what actions is, so this is actually new to GitHub and it has been launched few months back, and this has feature too. You can set up a pipeline. So what pipeline is? Continuous integration and continuous delivery or continuous deployment. So you can do those stuffs over here, and yeah, so this code issue pull request and insights project wiki. Yeah, you can discuss, but I need to sign in this repository before doing so. Once you wanted to contribute, just fork this repository, clone this repository into your machine, set up your development environment in your local, start building or start contributing to this repository. That's it. And also these are the new stuff which has been added by GitHub, which shows how many percent of JavaScript code has been used in this repository: HTML, TypeScript, CoffeeScript, CSS, C++. Yeah, so this is very interesting. If you are interested in contributing to open source, then you can go for it. Apart from this, yeah, live streaming is enabled. That is why you are enjoying live streaming. There is nothing much for today. That's it. I hope you are doing great. I will be thinking to make some video related to GitHub, what is GitHub and how you can. So I'm mainly focusing on the college student, who are just pursuing engineering. So it does not depend whether you are in first year, third year, fourth year. Knowledge is important. So I think each of the student from computer science and information technology branch should be aware of this stuff, like what is GitHub, what is source control. So these are the various stuff where you can store your code and you can do various stuff. Like many people are working in a team can use this kind of product for managing their code. So it's a better way to manage code. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just making people aware of what is stuff uh, which has been used by the many big organization like Microsoft, Google, Facebook, or any other organization. They are using a source control. It might be SVN, Git, GitLab, anything, but they are using a source control, and also CI/CD pipelines for testing their changes. So whenever anyone puts any changes to the repository, the test runs automatically, and it verifies whether your code is working fine, or it should not break any other changes except what you did. So you can add your own test cases to that. So it basically eliminates the testing team. So you don't need a manual testing. You just need to write test cases and all done. Whenever you push changes, it is going to be tested automatically in few minutes or second. So that's it. So, and after the testing, it has been deployed to various environment like test, UAT, production. Yep. So that are the things I will go into deeper, and I can instead of going live, I think I should also make some videos and um, publish in YouTube so that everyone can enjoy and can learn. So these are various insight. Currently I am working in TypeScript, React, Redux Saga. So if you guys have any question related to this, I can help you out. Or if you are facing any challenges in your work or any project, just ping me or just go to my LinkedIn channel. You can send a connection request, and we can solve there. So that's it. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.